The growing for mechanical keyboards, beloved by typists and gamers for their precision, durability, and satisfying feedback, reflects the enthusiasm for beginner DJ controllers. New DJs want tools that are intuitive, reliable, and packed with essential features at an affordable price. This guide evaluates list Pioneer DJ DJ FLX4 2-deck Rekordbox and Serato DJ controller, graphite. The Pioneer DJ DJ FLX4 is an ideal starting point for aspiring DJs who want pro-level features in a beginner-friendly package. Compatible with both Rekordbox and Serato DJ software, it gives you flexibility to explore and grow with your skills. Its sleek graphite finish and intuitive layout make it approachable yet powerful. The large jog wheels, dedicated performance pads, and smart mixing features help beginners learn quickly while offering room to experiment. Build quality is excellent for the price. List new Pioneer DJ Rev1 Scratch-style 2-channel DJ controller for Serato DJ Lite. Black bundle with laptop stand. Its scratching and battle-style DJing appeal to you. The Pioneer DJ Rev1 is a perfect match. Inspired by professional scratch mixers, this controller features larger jog wheels and a horizontal pitch fader placement for authentic scratch practice. It comes bundled with a handy laptop stand, making it a great value package for home setups. Designed for Serato DJ Lite, it's easy to get started, but also powerful enough to grow with you. The performance pads are responsive and perfect for triggering samples and cues. List number Gemini Sound CDM 4000 BT. All-in-one DJ standalone DJ CD player and mixer combo with Bluetooth, dual CD USB for home and event use. For those who prefer a standalone option without needing a computer, the Gemini CDM 4000 BT is an excellent pick. This all-in-one unit includes dual CD players, USB inputs, and a built-in mixer. Perfect for home parties or small events. Bluetooth connectivity adds even more flexibility, letting you stream from your phone or tablet. Its straightforward interface makes it approachable for beginners, yet its robust feature set allows for creative mixing. List number Numark MixTrack Platinum Serato Control DJ Mixer built-in audio interface. The Numark MixTrack Platinum offers an excellent blend of beginner accessibility and advanced features. Its standout feature is the high-resolution jog wheel displays, which show BPM, track position, and more, making it easier to stay on beat and learn to mix. Designed for Serato DJ, it comes with a built-in audio interface, allowing easy plug-and-play setup with headphones and speakers. The 4-deck control, responsive performance pads, and long pitch faders provide everything you need to develop your skills. List number 5. Hercules DJ Control Impulse 300 MK2 with rubber pads, Serato DJ Lite software, and beat match guide. The Hercules DJ Control Impulse 300 MK2 is designed specifically to help beginners learn the craft of DJing. Its built-in beat match guide visually shows you how to align beats, making it perfect for learning to mix by ear. The intuitive layout, responsive jog wheels, and performance pads make practice sessions both fun and educational. Bundled with Serato DJ Lite, it's ready to go out of the box. The lightweight yet sturdy construction makes it easy to transport, while its smart features help shorten the learning curve.